It's true that there are far more credit bureaus than just the big three, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. In fact, there are many specialty credit reporting agencies that focus on specific industries or types of data, such as rental histories, insurance claims, or payday loans. These bureaus collect and report various types of consumer data used by creditors, landlords, insurance companies, and even employers to assess risk. Here are some examples of types of specialty credit bureaus. 1. Insurance and Claims Bureaus. LexisNexis gathers public records, insurance claims, and legal data. Clue, Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange, reports claims history for homeowners and auto insurance. ISO, Insurance Services Office, provides data on claims and insurance risks. 2. Tenant Screening Bureaus. CoreLogic Rental Property Solutions, provides tenant screening data and rental payment history. Tenant Data Services, compiles information for landlords on rental and eviction history. Screening Reports Incorporated, provides credit and criminal background checks for tenants. 3. Employment Screening Bureaus. The Work Number, verifies employment and income history. First Advantage, specializes in employment background checks, including criminal records and credit history. Sterling Talent Solutions, provides employment background checks and verification services. 4. Utilities and Telecom Reporting. CHU, National Consumer Telecom and Utilities Exchange, tracks payment history for utility and telecom accounts, including cell phone and cable bills. Factor Trust, focuses on subprime credit data, including payday loans and rent-to-own payments. 5. Medical Credit Bureaus. Experian Health, provides credit reporting for medical providers, focusing on patient payment histories. MIB, Medical Information Bureau, tracks health and life insurance application data. 6. Alternative Financial Services Reporting. Microbilt, offers credit data on consumers who use alternative financial services, like payday loans and rent-to-own services. Factor Trust, specializes in subprime consumer data, including payday loans and auto financing. 7. Check Systems and Banking Information. Check Systems, tracks consumers' banking history, such as bounced checks and overdrafts. Early Warning Services, reports bank account abuse, fraud, and other banking issues. Tele Check, focuses on check verification and payment history related to checking accounts. 8. Other Specialty Bureaus. Sage Stream, provides alternative credit scoring and data analytics. Innovis, a lesser-known consumer reporting agency offering traditional credit reports similar to the Big Three. ID Analytics, specializes in tracking identity risk and consumer behavior data. How to find out what's reported. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you are entitled to one free report every year from any consumer reporting agency. You can request a report from some of these agencies just like you would with Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. For example, you can request your Clue report or your Check Systems report. Why are there so many bureaus? Each credit bureau or consumer reporting agency tends to specialize in different types of data, making it easier for specific industries to assess risk in ways that are most relevant to their needs. For example, landlords want to know about rental history, while banks may focus on bounced checks or account closures. What you can do? Request your reports. You can request a free report from many of these specialty credit bureaus to see what information they have about you. Dispute errors. Just like with the major credit bureaus, you can dispute any incorrect or outdated information. Freeze your reports. If you don't want certain agencies to have access to your data, you can freeze your reports at several specialty bureaus.